Yung pinaka-memorableng experience ito sa cancer and Ibarra, nung nakuha namin si Piolo Pascual. Kasi talagang dream ko namin lahat na siya yung pinaka-first choice namin, no? He was the perfect Ibarra for us. No? And of course, we were just dreaming na, makukuha ba natin to? Parang somebody of that stature. But when we contacted him, sabi niya, nung pa niya gusto bumalik sa theater, kasi nanonood siya sa Broadway, nakita yung mga A-list actors like Hugh Jackman na, you know, they go to theater, they do theater for the heck of it, for the art, for the expression, and not for the money, no? So, ayun ang aking parang highlight was to get him.